Okay, good morning guys. This is Kaikis, the vlogger in Cebu. Now, and first of all, reminders, this is not for kids doing because this is very dangerous. See that? Okay, now, first of all, before you install the air conditioning unit installation, make it sure that this is the copper tube. Then you put inside the rubber insulation. After that, then after this, then the one you want to bracing this copper tube connection, this 7/8 size of piping. This is the centralized aircon unit that we will be installed now. Now see, now this is the accessories parts, the materials needed. There is an acetylene, oxygen, and make it sure the acetylene PSI 6 PSI only, and net oxygen you need 40 PSI. Okay. Thank you guys for watching my video channel. Please subscribe my channel, click the button. Thank you.